It's mild.
Do you want to try some jerky, buddy? You jerky there? Which one would you like to try? Try the tray grill.
That's a mild one, isn't it? Yeah, they're all mild. We're not
Oops.
overly hot people.
Try that one too, I think.
I'm trying to pick the taste.
Fantastic. Thank you so much.
Don't worry about picking it, mate. Just enjoy it. As long as it tastes nice, that's all that matters.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, it's good, eh?
Not too much coriander. It's not bad.
Is there?
No, not too much.
There's not too much.
No, it's good.
Oh, that's what it is.
All right, thanks for that, mate.
No worries.
Yeah, no,
Enjoy.
thank you.
Thanks.
How you doing?
Good.
What's a Compass trainee?
Oh, we work with people with disability. So
Okay.
every year we do a chicken coop,
Yes.
and that's this year's effort. So
Okay.
all the funds that we raise just go back into buying resources and that for the farm, for woodwork and
Sounds like a
animals
good
and
cause.
stuff. Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Absolutely.
Well, they're $5 a ticket or 5 for 20.
I'll do 5 for 20, thanks.
Sure. Lovely. Card or cash?
Card, thanks.
No worries.
Thank you.
you.
Yeah, mate, no worries. Hey, is this you built this or?
No, Kez did on that sold the tickets.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, him and the guys from Compass.
Yeah.
So we empower disability, so we teach them how to do it.
Yeah.
We just guide them and they do most of the work.
Yeah, that's
I
what-
work for the company, but
You
today
work-
we're just here voluntary, so all their raffle money goes straight to them.
Are they local
Yeah, Palmwoods.
Palmwoods? Good stuff, mate. No, my name's George.
Dan, how are you?
Yeah, good, Dan. All right, mate.
Thanks, man.
I'll see you around.
All right.
It looks like there's a little dark watch on that one there. A few of these, I can see there's some aphids there. So you can go in and you can address problems in your garden early and nip them in the bud. And that will help to grow great crops. So that's a part of my thinking there too. It's a discipline that I have to walk past the garden beds to see what's going on.
So that's their thorns and that's their
Pushing on what I'm going to dicks or something. I feel embarrassed. What's from bed?
Our biggest bee in Australia.
Shooter stumps of barns and barns. Fortunately here, they just like
Absolutely, yeah. So I came from inner city Brisbane, and I didn't see any in my yard, but my neighbour 100 metres away did. But see you later, thanks. But I was 100. I'm up here at Doonan now in Avery.
Hey, buddy.
Clean air for it's again one of the most detrimental things to a fowl. Yeah, so the good thing about keeping poultry is exactly that. It's cathartic. It's really soothing to be able to watch them walk around the yard, interact, and it distracts you from all the other things that are going on in life. There's a good reason why so many people are interested in poultry.
I'm going to ask some silly questions.
Hey, look, I'll answer it if I can.
Okay. These are for our climate here, these tomato seeds?
Yes.
They are?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So the lady down there behind the counter, she's the expert.
Okay.
But she recommends Amish paste.
Hey, how you doing?
Yes.
So what I do is I just do compost, rooster boosters, pellets, but I don't do anything else.
Yep. I'd even try and get some blood and bone.
Blood and bone.
And even some tomato food. If you go to like places like Bunnings or whatever and get specific tomato food, it will be high in calcium because that's the needs of a tomato.
When's the next stage you would do it?
Probably about a month later.
Wow, they need that much feed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yep, and you can liquid feed in between if you want to. Something like the grow fertiliser.
Yeah.
That puts a lot of your micronutrients back in.
Okay.
But look, it's basically on a fertiliser packet. There's three letters on the back. Called NPK.
Nitrogen, phosphate, and
potassium.
potassium.
Right? Your nitrogen makes the plant green and grow.
Yeah.
Your potassium makes it flower, and your phosphorus is overall plant health and root growth.
Seeds, what would you recommend?
Depends what you want. We grow Amish paste a lot at home because it's a very reliable tomato. It's about probably that long. It's like a Roma, like an egg tomato, but longer.
I'm a big fan of the juicier tomatoes. Am I going to have luck with them in our climate?
Of course, yeah.
Yeah.
I'd suggest either mortgage lifter
Yeah.
or money maker.
Mortgage lifter.
Or money maker up the top there. They're a good size
They look
tomato.
like heirloom.
Yeah, they all are.
Okay.
Yeah. It's a really... Okay, that's another.
Gee, they
good
look
one.
exotic.
Tigrella, that's an old. It's not an oldie. It's a modern heirloom. What they call. It's been modern bred, but it's to be bred like an heirloom tomato. So it's got flavour and it's got the qualities of an heirloom.
The local bought out the big ones for you. That's a 10 litre and that's $85.
Hey, how you doing?
Good.
That's good. All right. I was told to come here.
Okay. Bye.
Yeah, bye. Oh, you're going to get a commission, is she?
Michelle will tell you, like we planted this from seed. Like, I forget how many. It would have been 4 weeks ago. It might be max. I could be. She knows better than me.
Anything special about that soil? No.
No, it's when you talk about NPK, you're talking about a force feed situation where generally, because it's chemical or synthetic, you're knocking your microbes on the head, so your factory workers are asleep.
Gotcha.
And you've got to keep force feeding.
Yeah, gotcha.
So this is about getting a whole system working. Cost, so today that's $15. Normally in the shop it would be around the $18 to $19 for 1 litre. 2.5 is $25 today. Normally $28, $29.
And what's the ratio of to water?
Dilution is 100 to 1. So for a litre, that's a
100 to 1.
We put 10 mils of that in to here. Fill the rest up with water. So out of out of a 1 litre bottle, you'll get 100 litres.
So you would add that to every watering, daily?
No. These might get done weekly.
Okay, and in just weekly in between normal.
And you know, for some people they go, "Oh, that's a lot," but you know, the theory is less more often is better.
Yeah, okay. And at the very start, you say would the dilution be a bit stronger at the start?
You
Not
can
really.
go like I generally work at 20 mils per litre.
20, okay.
Because you know we've used this on natives and precious roses and orchids and it doesn't damage anything.
Yeah.
You can't overdose on it.
Yeah. Mate, I just might start off with that 25.
Yeah, for sure.
All good. Yeah.
Yep. So it tells you on the back what.
Yeah, I'll just transfer some money over.
And then, so when you finish with your bottle, where do you live?
Bedroom.
So you could go back to Manawee, for example, and they'll refill
Manawee across the road. Yeah, right there. I'm right next door to
the
it.
bottle for about $9 a litre.
Okay.
Saves throwing the plastic in the half pleasure, mate.
Yeah.
I mean, it's different. It's different to what we've been educated to think, you know, because the education's come from the chemical fertiliser industry.
Gotcha.
And so it's just a rethink about how nature does things and working in harmony with that.
It's a more holistic approach, would you? More balanced.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And that's what nature is. It's about holism and you know, this has got all the macro and the micronutrients, not just three majors.
Is that all they have, the three majors?
Well, that's the main ones.
Yeah, and then,
but the micronutrients actually make the macros work. If your potassium doesn't have its partner in magnesium, they don't
if it doesn't
work.
have it in balance,
It just sits there dormant.
Gotcha.
And so all the nitrogen we put in the soil is actually usually locked up. Potassium is locked up. It's not available to the plant. This is where the micros do their job.
I gotcha. Good. All right, thank
Good
you.
on you, mate.
Yeah.
Thank you.
See you around.
I look forward to hearing your results next year.
All right. I'll see you around, yeah.
Cheers.
Right, there you go, try that. How's that?
Smoky.
Yeah, pretty good. This here, now just...
Yeah, it's like popcorn.
Pardon?
It's like a bit of salt and vinegar. I'll have another one.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, there's a nice big bit. Try this. This is popcorn that I've put a truffle seasoning on. Kiwi guys business. Yeah, so all the truffles out of New Zealand. The pork in the salami is Australian pork in a pasta. Then I've got a truffle salt as well. So if you do steak, season it with the truffle salt. It's just the best.
Thanks a lot.
Brilliant.
Yeah,
Thanks,
mate.
mate.